Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions and welcome to video 4 for the LSP Little Love Stool digital background. In this short video I'm going to be talking through some changes that have been made to the background since release, namely the addition of a few extra colour layers. So there is some extra things included in this that you will not see featured in video 1. Everything else is still there exactly the same, but I've gone ahead and added an additional colour change box here, and you'll see this in the layers panel above the white curls, below your baby layer, in purple. For the complete tutorial of how to add baby to this digital, how to edit, how to access everything included, please do watch video 1. So let's turn baby on and pop pink curls there. Now you notice this baby is in blue, and perhaps you may want a blue version of the digital, which has been requested several times. So you can go ahead and turn the colour change on. You need to do that by just clicking in this little box next to it, and an eye will appear, and you'll notice the digital turns to an eclectic mix of blue, magenta, purple, cyan and grey. So they're on or off, just turning that on or off. Now this works really well for the pink curls drape and the pink knit scrunch backgrounds underneath baby. If you're using the white curls or the painterly white fabric under baby, you may notice that this colour addition adds rather a kind of a bluey purple magenta colour cast to the white. You can combat this by coming up to this colour change group, click the little drop down between the eye and the folder here, and you'll see nestled inside are 3 layers. Have the colour change for the garland, you have the colour for the pink layers, and then underneath this you'll notice an invisible layer, the eye isn't showing, colour for the white layers. You simply have to turn off the colour for the pink layers and you'll notice the whites get pulled back into this warm yellow tone. You can either leave it like that, you just hide baby there. You can either leave it like that, or you can click on the colour for the white layers, and this will take some of those yellows out without adding a blue cast. So depending on which layer you're using, whether it's the white, the pink curls, you turn on the pink version, pink knit, you turn on the pink version, painterly white fabric, you can turn on the white version. And the same for the base stool. If you wanted to, you can turn on that white version just to pull some of those yellows out a little bit. You will also notice you have 3 texture layers up here. You have the blue texture, plain texture and the pink texture. So depending on which version you're using, you can also go ahead and add a texture by turning these on or off. If you want to, you can either keep the high key white or add the texture. So that's how to use the updated layers of colour change, blue texture and normal texture. For the complete editing tutorial, please do watch video 1. The Little Love Stool digital background is available at www.lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.